Gita in brief. Prologue. The war between the Kauravas and Pandavas became inevitable, so the armies assembled at Kurukshetra to fight with each other for victory. Both armies are waiting for the commencement and are very eager and anxious before starting the great war. Knight Arjuna requested Lord Krishna to turn the chariot between the armies to gauge the might of the Kauravas. Accordingly, Krishna placed the chariot, and Arjuna spread his eyes and observed all the warriors. Some are his masters, some are blood relations, some are friends, etc. In a moment, Arjuna felt emotional attachment. He is in a fix and yielded to illusion. He prayed to his charioteer Krishna. After viewing the opponents, Arjuna expressed his wish to withdraw from the mighty war and threw his bow and arrows and crumbled near the chariot. So Lord Krishna has to convince and prepare to do war and to drive his Maya illusion and to keep him to know his Swadharma. To uplift him, he preached and taught the Bhagavad Gita, covering all matters relevant to give Arjuna's confidence to fight and establish Dharma in full strength. In Bhagavad Gita, there are 18 chapters covering Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Jnana Yoga in 700 Sanskrit slokas. We selected 56 slokas covering main slokas in all 18 chapters to frame fundamental knowledge and to learn more. We felt it will be platform to the seekers and learners. Let us enter into the Bhagavad Gita, voice of Vasudev, his master voice. Namo Vasudevaya. Karmakshetre Kurukshetre Samavevata Yuchavaha Mamakan Pandavachaiva Kimakurmata Sanjaya. The king Dhritarashtra, blind, asked his minister Sanjaya how his sons and Pandavas are preparing to start the great war called the Kurukshetra battle. Sanjaya was blessed with divine sight, Divya Drushti, and he is giving a comment part by part and narrating to the king. Here there are 2 points to observe. First one, the king is very much anxious to get victory over Pandavas, though the Dharma and Murali are on the other side. The victory was established for Pandavas as they were bound to Dharma. Another point is that Vedavyasa in the first word established that the Kurukshetra battlefield is Dharmakshetram, which means the victory of people who statutorily stick to Dharma. Even Rani Jhansi Lakshmi Bai called a Purohit and requested him to read the Bhagavad Gita to her before she was scheduled to enter the warfield. She asked Purohit to stop after hearing a single sentence, Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre. Noticing that victory is on her side because she was abided by Dharma, that is the peculiar aspect shown by Vedavyasa, who wrote the Mahabharata in Sanskrit. Nakanshe Vijayam Krishna Natarajam Sikwani cha Kim no Rajyena Govinda Kim Bhugai Jivitena va. Arjuna urged Krishna with disheartedness. He does not want victory in the war, nor pleasure, nor the kingship by killing his near and dear masters and elders in the Kurukshetra dynasty. Sri Bhagwan Vata Kutasya Akasya Lavidam Abhapadyam Anargustam Aketikaram Arjuna. It is not admirable for a warrior like you to yield to emotional attachments and illusion. It will never be attributed to heaven or credit. So you leave this unwanted grip and Maya. क्लैब्यम्मास गमपार्थ तत्पद्यते क्षुद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यं तत्त्वोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप. Arjuna, this emotional attachment and illusion, Maya, yielding is equivalent to death. So, leave this cowardice and start attend to the great work. श्री भगवान असोच्या अन्न शोचेत्तम प्रज्ञावादांच भाषसे गतासूंच नानु शोचन्ति पंडिता. You are preaching and teaching like a learned person who themselves do not fall for the person who is alive or dead, departed. वासानि जीर्णानि यदा विहाय नवानि गृह्णाति नरपराणि तथा सहानि विनयाय जन्म मां मे स्वैनि नवामि देहि. Like humans wearing a new cloth, leaving torn ones, the soul leaves this body and bears a new body. नैनं चिन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि नैनं दहति पावक न चेयेनं क्लेदु अंचापो न शोषयति मारुतः. Soul cannot be burned by fire nor cut by a knife. Water cannot evaporate. It can, if it not wind stop it. The soul is immortal. जातः सहि ध्रुवो मृत्यु जन्मच्चः तस्माद् अपरिहारार्थे न त्वं शोचितुम् अर्हसि. Every mortal person is subject to death. At the same time, rebirth is must. So it's not advisable to worry about what is inevitable. कर्मण्ये अवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतुर्भो मा ते त्वंगोस्त्विकः आत्मक मातो संगोस्त्वकर्मणि मातो संगस्त्वकर्मणि. You have the authority to do actions, karma, and not in the results. Do action without expecting the result. क्रोधोद्भवति सम्मोहात् प्रतिबंसात् बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति. Anger develops into vengeance and you will lose control your mind due to it. The mind will lose stability and pull the man downwards. अन्नाद् भवति भूतानि पर्जन्य अन्न संभवः यज्ञाद् भवति पर्जन्यो यज्ञ कर्म समुद्भवः. People perform holy fire rituals to satisfy God after satisfying themselves. The God causes pancha bhutams, air, water, earth, fire, wind to form. An abundant rain will drench the fields to give a huge yield. As long as this process is continued, both will be fully satisfied by mutual assistance. The country will be evergreen Sasasyamalam by timely rains and rainy season and avoid famine. इंद्रियस्येन्द्रिय सार्थे तागद्देश व्यवस्थितौ तयो नवसमागच्छे तत्पुष्य परिसमाप्तिनम्. In every sense, the passions, raga, deshas are hidden in every human. One should not yield to them. Why? Because these passions are prime reasons for the downfall. श्रेयो सधर्मो विगुणः परधर्मान् अनुष्ठितात् तदाव निधनं श्रेयः परधर्मो भयापहः. Whatever greatness and following, attraction and admiration the other dharma possesses, never yield to that dharma. Stand and stay, adhere to your own dharma, even it contains any defaults and defects. धूमेनाव्रेते वह्नि यदा दर्शनमलेन च यदा आवृतगर्व तदा तेनावृतामृतम्. The fire is covered with ash after it is fully burned. Dust covers the mirror where your image is not clear. In the womb, the baby will be covered with water maya. Like all this, the knowledge is fully covered with darkness. Darkness formed due to ignorance, and darkness happened due to not acquiring gnanam, meaning he who is in ajnana. Vidya vinaya sampanne brahmane samivekagastini yada yada hi dharmasya glanibhavati bharatah abhyuddhanamadharmasya tadatmami sujamyaham. Whenever there is a danger to dharma and it is subjected to trouble and harm, and wherever there is a danger to dharma and it is subjected to trouble and adharma goes out of control, I who will incarnate and be responsible to protect dharma, keep it intact to establish peace and happiness. परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. To protect people who are sadhus, tatpurushas, holy saints, avdutas, paramahamsas, and establish peace and happiness, I will incarnate in the universe in every regard. ब्रह्मार्पणं ब्रह्महवि ब्रह्मज्ञौ ब्राह्मणाकृतं ब्रह्मन्तैव गन्तेन ब्रह्मकर्म समाधिना. The material of Brahman possesses godly qualities. Divine, holy, Vidvat, the universe Brahman is the creation created by the Lord. A person who performs holy fire rituals and contents like ghee, sticks, holy ashwatha material used to offer the holy fire and the action all are contributed to Brahman, holy state. Everybody ambitiously and enthusiastically wishes to possess Brahma Padam. For him who attains this great highest state, Titi, position, nothing else be needed. Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprajnena sevaya upadhyechanti te jnanam jnanina sattvadarshinaha. The seeker, Anveshi, looking to acquire knowledge, must approach the master, Acharya, who will keep his student on the right path. The student should have a deep urge to gain from the master and obtain knowledge about Shastras, customs. He should be quite submissive and obedient. Never should have any thought to doubt or to underestimate and find fault. Those thoughts should be discontinued and such thoughts should be smashed. Not allow such faith and in the mind and protect the mind sacred. श्रद्धावान् लभते ज्ञानं तत्परं तम इतीन्द्रियः. ज्ञानं लब्धा परां शान्तिं अचिरेणाधिगच्छति. Those who possess firm faith and patience will attain divine knowledge. After he acquires, he will take the form of God. After reaching this stage, he will be blessed with immortal peace and bliss which never vanishes nor disappears in or within him. He is sure and certain he is granted. Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane Savidagastini Suni Chaiva Sapakecha Pandita Samadarshina. The man who possesses divine qualities sees the learned with pronounced knowledge, and the meanest person who eats dog meat equally, nothing attracts him, either it is holy or filth or mean in time. उद्धरे आत्मनः आत्मानं न आत्मानम् अवसादयेत् आत्म हि एव आत्मनः बन्धु आत्मैव रिपुरात्मनः. You see, only the mind is quite responsible either to do good to the universe or cause damage and destruction to it. So one should firmly, strongly control their mindset and be on the spiritual path of dharma, be alert and keep their mind always on the right path. Manushanam sahasreshu kasti datati siddhaye etataamapi siddhanam kaschinna veti tattvataha. There are crores and crores of people who exist in the universe, but not everyone can understand me and my power, vision and knowledge. Every tree possesses a lot of buds before the flowering and ripening stage, but only a few buds turn into flowers, and those very few transform into the fruits and colorful flowers. Like that, only a few people get to know me, my philosophy and my nature. My mercy and blessings will be towards those who are my staunch devotees, who are firm and absolute believers in me and my actions. Antyakale Antyakale cha mamev sparam mukta kalevaram yaha prayati samadbhavam yati na atra samsayah. Those who chant my name at the time of leaving the body, if he thinks about me and my power, who left this world by concentrating their breath swasa in the middle of both eyelids and never doubted their belief in me, sure he will come to my abode Parandhamamu and dwells in it. He reaches my protected feet. It can certain and true. Vedeshu yagneshu tapastu cheva daneshu yat punyapalam pratistam atyeti tasvaram idim viditva yogi param shantam upaiti chajam. The people who know me and my philosophy and will surely attain me and my abode, even though he never performs puja and holy rites. Nothing stops him from reaching my abode, Parandhama, the Vaikuntham, where Lord Sri Mahavishnu dwells. Ananya chintaya tomam ye janah paryupasate tesha vinitra viyuktanam yogachyami vahamiham. He keeps his faith, belief, strong courtship and praise none other than me. I who protect God and rescue him always and everywhere. I treat him as my own always. In all circumstances, my hand will be in his hand to protect, so keep believing me. Epi anya devata bhakta yajante taddajanvika te api mam yeva kaunte atyanta avidipurvakam. Those who always believe in me, nothing else expect me, and my worship, meditation, a pure and clear mind, like a crystal, I will look into their needs fully. If they worship other deities, I will fulfill their desires to them. They are also to bless others, to bless other deities. My presence, other to bless other deities, my presence is an inevitable and a must. पत्रं पुष्पं फलं तोयं ये मे भक्ता प्रयच्छति तदह भक्त उपकृतम् अस्म्यामि प्रयतात्मनः. If my devotee offers with faith and firm belief, I will accept water, fruits, leaves, tulasi and bilvas offered to me. I will observe his faith and respect towards me and respect towards me. Vedanam Samavedasmi Devanam Asmi Vasaki Devanam Samavedasmuni Devanam Asmi Vasavaha Indriyanam Manaschatmi Bhutanam Asmi Chetasa. I am present as Samaveda in all Vedas, as Indra in the gods, as Vasuki in the serpent, and as a soul in all beings, whether active or inactive. Yaddad vibhuti yat timat uditena vaha tattadeva vagacham tattadeva vagatam mama teja sambhavam yadyati vibhuti yattat timat uditena vaha tattadeva avagachatum mama teja sambhavam. Treat thus, all is from my Amsha, and I am keeping the words as a Govardhana, as I lifted the Govardhana with my little finger and protected the Gopala for 7 days from the heavy downpour created by Indra. Like that, in the universe, nothing but is there except my Amsha. So, you believe me and I will keep you happy and peaceful. Yajjati yajjavubhuti timadduditena vaha tattadeva gacchitvam mateja ansevam. Like wealth and divine light and power, whatever may be, it is treated that it is emergent or it is radiated, it is transformed from me and myself. Adava bahunetena kim jatena tavarduna ishabhyamidamam kustam ekantena tito jagar. I need not say more than this, because the total world, the total universe is covered and spread only with me. Without me, the universe is nothing and it is purely illusion. So, the total universe is dependent and with me and in me. Adava bahune aneka vaktranayinam aneka adbhuta darshanam aneka divyabharanam divyanokadhyayudam divyamalam bharadaram divyagandhanulepanam sarvascharyaman devam anantam visvato mukham divsurya sahasrascha bhave ukavat aptate yadi bhams tadarsha Mahatma. Here, as per Arjuna's request and submission, Lord Krishna thought it was time to exhibit his unseen and divine form and give his darshan to Arjuna in form that it was quite unusual and unseen earlier. Arjuna described the form as below. It has several eyes, lighted, emitted with high voltage equal to 1,000 suns, divine light. At the time, he wore silk garments, several fringes collected from all scented flowers, wearing ornaments made of Vajra, Vaidurya, Manikya, and Marakata. Lord Krishna appeared to Arjuna as a quite astonishing with several weapons. Arjuna gauged Lord Krishna with utmost pleasure and ultimate surprise. The figure is ever memorable and never forgettable, even stays in one soul, Arjuna's memory forever. किरीटिनं गजनं चक्रिणं च तेजोरांसि तेजोरा किरीटिनं गजनं चक्रिणं च तेजोरासिं सर्वतदीप्तिमन्तं विश्वामित्रां दुर्निरीक्षं समन्तात् दीप्त अडल्कारज्योतिमप्रमेयम्. With mighty form, emitting divine light, spread over the sky, and garments made of silk, this form is neither limited nor catchable. It is admiring, astonishing, rare, lovable, and visible, with multiple faces, radiating light, rays with delight, and it is quite surprising. The form is adorned with diamond and jade crowns, weapons to kill unworthy and trouble-creating demons. The Lord Krishna is with pleasing and admirable unseen form that cannot be seen by common people because their eyes cannot bear to see the mighty light coming from it. यदा नदीनां बाहवो अम्बुवेगः समुद्रमेवा अभिमुखा द्रवन्ति तदा तवामि नरलोकवीराः विशन्ति वक्त्रान् अभ्यज्वलन्ति. It is observed by Arjuna that the various chariots and knights rulers are entering into the mouth which is like a tunnel. As water from rivers flows into the sea without any sound nor hearable, even the naked ear, mouth and teeth are like the jaws of a large fish shark. सकयेति मत्त स्पर्वं यदुक्तं ये कृष्ण के यादव ये सकयति अजानता महिमानं तव इदं मया प्रमादात् प्रणयेन वापि. Arjuna was unable to visualize the mighty form with the divine light astonished by the mighty shape. He felt guilty as underestimated Lord Krishna as a very common man and never gave due respect to him. He requested to pardon for his ignorance if he had misspoken to him when going out or doing or sleeping with him. He repented very much and requested to pardon for any of his foolish action. यच्चापहस असमद्ध अस्कृतमसि विहारशय्यासन भोजनेषु एको अद अप्यच्युत तत्समस्तं दत्तामे ताम अहम अप्रमेयम्. As described in previous sloka, repeatedly requesting Krishna to excuse him for his mistake and a bit of high-handedness and underestimation in viewing his mighty form and mighty power strength. श्री भगवान वाच मय्यावेश्य मनोययाम इत्यायुक्त उपासते तद्दयः परयोपेतः ते मे युक्त तमो मतः. Those 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 who fix their minds on me within the Supreme Lord worship me steady and firmly, who have unwavering faith and the best among yogis. ये तु सर्वाणि कर्माणि मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्परः अनन्येनेन योगेन मां ध्यायन्त उपासते. The people who do bhajans and worship me with whole heart and full faith and believe, praise me at all the in 9 forms of worship, Navavida Bhakti, I will protect and look after them, my own people, and they submit all their belongings left to me, keeping nothing with them. They are empty in both body and mind as they sacrificed and surrendered all their belongings offered to me. They will sacrifice all their actions, karmas to me and worship me with form. If you do it, you can balance and control your mind. You will become Chita Prajna, who sees good, bad happenings and mishappenings and all the same, neutralize both sorrows and pleasures. तत्क्षेत्रं यद् आकृत यद्विकार्यत् यतोत्प्रभावश्च तत्समासेन मे शृणु. Kshetram means the place where Kshetragna lives, meaning the Kshetra means the place where Kshetragna lives, meaning the field is the body and the soul inside the body. So Arjuna asked to explain these two things in detail. अमानित्वम् अदम्बित्वम् अकिंता क्षान्तिरार्जवम् आचार्योपासनं शौचं शौर्यम् आत्मविनिग्रह. Feeling himself with all and possessing a soft-spoken, tender nature in mind, speech and action, feels the same with all, never sees a difference in living and departed, never finds fault with others. समदुःखसुखस्वस्थ समलोष्टात्मकाञ्चनः. समदुःखसुखस्वस्थ समलोष्टात्मकाञ्चनः. तुल्यप्रियो प्रियः दीर्घः तुल्यनिन्दात्मसंस्तुति. Those who see equally both in gold and earth shares happy and miserable feelings as one, taking the things and giving the things, their attitude is the same, seeing them equally as the same to them. Sri Bhagavan Vacha Urdhamula Adasyakam Asvedam Prahuhavyam Yaswasi Asved Chandasi Yassa Parnani Yattam Veda Savedavit. Sri Bhagavan Vacha Urdhamula Adasyakam Asvedam Prahuhavyam Chandasi Yassa Parnani Yattam Veda Savedavit. The holy tree Asvedha, whose roots are upward, Brahma being its stem, the Vedas are its leaves, is the form of samsara, family. There is no destruction or decay for it. Those who know about the origin of this tree, Ragichettu, fully, it can be ascertained that he fully knows the Vedas and its allied things totally. Mamayivanta jiva loke jiva bhuta sanatanaha mana satyendriyani prakrtitani karshati. Mama evante jivabuke jivabhuta sanatanaha mama satyevante jivaloke jivabhuta sanatanaha mana satyendriyani prakrititani karshati. In living being, soul, which is immortal, lives in the body. In nature it remains, attracting the mind with five spirits: sound, air, water, earth and sky. Aham Vaishvanaro Bhutva Praninam Dehamasritah Pranapana Samajuktam Pachamannam Chaturvidam. I will digest all four types of food intake into the body. He who produces digestive juices, Jatarasa, for full digestion of liquid, solid juices and germs and lectins. I will digest all four types of food intake into the body. I who produces digestive juices, Jatarasa, for full digestion of liquid, solid juices and lectins. तेज क्षमा धृति शौचम अद्रोहो आत्मानितः भवन्ति संपति दैवम अभिजातस्य भारत. The divine qualities are such as light, teja, strength, neatness, never feeling he is superior to all and does not feel any enmity towards others. Kamam asitya dushpuram dambhamanamadanvitah mohatgata adgrahan pravartante ativrataha. Passion, illusion, pride over favoritism, feeling he is supreme and proud of himself. These are rajasic nature, and those with these are in sand, mud, and they will be drowned. आयुष्सत्त बलारोग्य सुख प्रीति विवर्धनः तस्या सिग्ना स्थिराकृत्य आहारा सात्विक प्रिया. The food rests hunger for a long time, gives strength, vitality. The four types of food like rasa, tasya, signa, tira, kradaya give strength, stability, vitality and nutrition. This food mostly liked by Satvikas. कट्टाम्ल लवण तूष्ण तीक्षरूक्ष विदाहिनः आहारा राजसयिष्ठा दुःख शोकमय प्रदा. Acidic in nature, salty, fried, seasoned, spicy foods, food with pungent smells and masalas using sugandha dravyamlu, scented materials are liked by Rajasa people. यतयामं गतरतं पूतिपुरुषं च यत् उच्छिष्टमपि च मेध्यं भोजनस्तामसप्रियम्. The food spoiled and been cooked a long time ago or liked by tamasic person. ओम तथदिति निर्देश ब्राह्मण त्रिविधः स्मृतः ब्राह्मणत्वेन वेदास्ता यज्ञास्त एतः पुरा. Om Tat Sat are used in the name of the Almighty. Those are emitted from God, Paramatma. Earlier Vedas, 5 holy rituals and Brahmins are established from the God, Paramatma. निश्चयं शृण्वे तत्ता त्यागी भरत सत्तमा ताहि पुरुषव्याघ्रे समासि ताहि पुरुषव्याघ्रं निश्चयं शृणु मे तत्त्वा त्यागि भरतसत्तमा त्यागो हि पुरुषव्याघ्र इति त्रिविधि संप्रकीर्तितः. O Arjuna, there are two objects. One is sacrifice and the other is saintliness. Please hear my words about sacrifice. Sacrifice in three ways: Sattvic, Rajas, Tamasic, and Sattvic, Rajas, and Tamasic, or these three types have been referred. ईश्वरः सर्वभूतानां हृद्देशे अर्जुन तिष्ठति प्रमयान्तर्वभूतानि यन्त्रारूढानि मायया. Ishwar dwells in nature and all beings, bhutams. The wheel is like a person who rotates in it, and the Almighty is the prime who keeps them in the illusion of rotation, causing emotional attachment, moha and maya. मन्मना भव मद्भक्ता माज्जाजि मां नमस्कुरु माम एव हयेष्यसि सत्यं ते प्रतिजानि प्रियोऽसि मे. Who prays to me and believes and surrenders to me totally, he never knows none other than me. I will rescue, protect, safeguard, and look into his needs by myself. If it is my prime and security. Manmam sarvadharman parityajya mamekam saranam vraja aham tu sarvapapebhyo mokshayishyami ma suchaha. Keeping all dharmas aside, who have found faith in me and total surrender to me, I will take care of him, his welfare, and guard him always and all times. Arjuna Vacha Nashtamoho Sutirlabdha Tatpasad Mayachyuta Chitasmi Gata Sandehe Karishye Vachanam Tava. Arjuna says to Lord Krishna, my Maya illusion vanished, and now I am able to understand your preaching. I am enlightened now and I am prepared to do war against the opponent Kaurava. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna Yatra Pardho Danudaraha Tatra Sri Vijayo Bhuti Duvani Tirmatir Mama. Whenever, in any place, anywhere, Lord Krishna and Arjuna with his bow and arrows are present, there prevails peace, calm, and happiness. They are the places of peace, happiness. They are pervasive, omnipresent, omnipotent. These are the temples of peace where Lord Krishna dwells. Gita Sastram idam punyam Gita Sastram idam punyam Asat Pate Prayatvan Vishnu Padam Avapnoti Bhayasokadi Varjitaha. When a person reads, recites, or studies with proper attention this auspicious Shastra, Bhagavad Gita, he will attain the feet of Sri Vishnu Murti and will become free from all worries and all other problems. Om Shanti Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Nannu nammina variki nasamedi mruki kolikina variki moksha prapti saranu pondina variki shanti sukhamu వెలుగు కనిపించు నిక్కమ్ము వేదవాకు. వసుదేవ సుతం దేవం కంస చాణూరమర్ధనం దేవకీ పరమానందం కృష్ణం వందే జగద్గురుం. కృష్ణం వందే జగద్గురుం. His master's voice of Vasudev, his master's voice. V. Srinivas Prasad, Tulsivanam, Bangalore. स्वस्तिप्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तं न्यायेन मार्गेण महीमहीषा गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभवस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतङ्गमय। काले वर्धित पुण्यो पुण्यो देवयालिन् ब्राह्मणं सम्पत्तु निर्भयः। पूर्णमदं पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् उपपद्यते पूर्णासा पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति। सर्वेषां शांतिर्भवतु, सर्वेषां सत्तिर्भवतु, सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु। माता पिता शरणं गच्छामि, दारासुता शरणं गच्छामि, विश्वावसु शरणं गच्छामि, येषां सर्वेषां शरणं गच्छामि। పలికెడిది భాగవతమట పలికించెడివాడు రామభద్రుండట నీ పలికిన భవకరమగునట పలికెదవే రెండుగాద పలుకగనేలా. ఓం హరి ఓం శ్రీ హర ఓం. ఓం హరి ఓం శ్రీ హర ఓం. ఓం హరి ఓం శ్రీ హర ఓం.